Bougainville is one of the places where we've got a lot of tourism potential, but it's still also untapped. We have tourism sites and we've got beautiful beach, reefs, and even the mountains, waterfalls, a lot of things that still untouched.
Bougainville's trunk road connects businesses and communities across the region. Roads are a key driver for economic growth.
When we started our company, we were hardly carrying people around because the road was really bumpy. But when the roads have been fixed and maintained, we can run our tours smoothly and safely.
The Papua New Guinea Australia Transport Sector Support Program continues to work with the autonomous Bougainville government to maintain and improve the road network. The tourism sector relies heavily on the safer, more reliable transport network that this partnership is delivering to bring more people to this beautiful part of the world.
As a tourism operator, the new roads in Bougainville will help me bring customers to my inn. Extra visitors help me grow my business.
I think it is good that Austrian Bougainville partnership have done so much on our roads, so we can travel freely with our clients to remote places.